The last standard in our progression is 5.md.b.2. Make a line plot to display a data set of measurements in fractions of a unit, half, fourth, 1/8. Use operations on fractions for this grade to solve problems involving information presented in line plots. This standard would be good to incorporate with lessons that involve addition and subtraction of fractions. Children should be able to create a line plot with fraction measurements. Students can examine recipes with cups of sugar and create line plots to represent this data as an example. Students should be able to gather data from their line plot and then answer questions and solve problems accordingly. These problems will likely include addition or subtraction, as I previously stated. Line plots are good because they will visually display data for students, which are useful in measurement data. This also builds on the line plot idea from earlier grades while also connecting to the concept of fractions.